Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're headed over to the shop real quick. Let's get today started. Uh-oh. Yo, we got some banners out here. Yo. Dale's working on some weeding out here too. Nice. Sick. This is cool.
Yeah, there was a huge structure.
It's coming out, dude. Big shout out to Mateo right now. He's doing all of the OG work here. This is the hardest part, guys. But yeah, I think they're getting a new cutter in soon, so hopefully that will make the process that much better. Won't have to weed at all. Alrighty, guys, here we go. This banner's coming off for good. We're replacing it with the diamond white. It's gonna look fucking primo. Shout out to the boys. You already know. As always, guys, if you need anything done wrap-wise, banner-wise, design-wise, make sure you guys hit up Kingston Auto Styling. We're out here in Lacey. You guys already know. Hit them up. Link will be in description down below, as well as linked in one of these two corners. Woo! It's so empty. It's so weird seeing it like this again. Crazy. Actually, the last time it was like this, none of the hearts were here either, so that just makes a big difference. Whew. Oh, that's gonna look sexy, dude. Alright, what are you thinking?
Yeah.
Right? Does that look about right?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Alright, send. Oh my god. It's beautiful! Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, it was just that one. Yeah.
That fresh. Alrighty, guys, we gotta run away from the shop here. Eric's here, and we're about to go hit AutoZone. Maybe grab some paint for his calipers. We're gonna repaint them different color, and then we're gonna try to install the rear camber arms today as well. So yeah, there's the boy now. Woohoo! Alrighty. What are we looking for again? Paints. Paints. That's not paints. There's no paints here. Paints are over here. Oh, paints. So we want caliper paint.
Caliper paint. What, I got blue? I got dark blue.
I like the dark blue.
I kind of like the dark blue. I wonder if it's actually dark blue, though.
Probably. You're fine.
Let's find out. Fuck around and find out.
You need primer?
I do need primer.
I'm gonna go ahead and get this as well because my old set, somebody kicked out one of my strips there and they bent all of my little connector pieces, so I'm really sad that I only have one strip and it's only on my driver's side now. So I'm gonna reinstall these properly this time and make sure that nobody can kick these out. But yeah, that'll be cool. And then he's got his
yeah, we're doing alright, thank you.
So we'll be good here. I ended up not picking up the lights because I think they were in the wrong place and they were a little more expensive than I thought they were going to be. So yeah, we're just going to hold off on those. Maybe get some on eBay or something like that. But we did end up picking up some ceramic coating. That's pretty cool. And then of course, we're going to go try to paint those calipers on Eric's car today as well. So yeah, he's got all the wheels off due to having a tire issue and some weird hard spots in his tires. So we're just gonna go ahead and paint that, and then we're also gonna install those camber arms. We're gonna head over there right now. seeing Eric doing his paint pen on his tires makes me want to do tire lettering as well. So I'm here at Michael's right now. I'm about to go pick up a couple paint pens and then also lunch for us. Getting a little hungry, so just decided to grab some lunch on the way back. But yeah, let's get it. Yo. Found them. This is huge. I low-key might just get this one because it's just one. The other ones are $4.99 or $4.79 or whatever. I just need white, so yeah, I don't know. That's the size that he has, but the big one seems like it'll do all of them. We'll see. Damn it, guys! I looked again. I need the oil-based ones instead of the water-based, and they don't have a big one with the oil one, so I'm gonna have to settle for these ones, unfortunately. I would have liked to have had a really big one and just had that one last forever, but apparently that's not how it's gonna go today, so yeah, it's fine.
How you doing, bro?
Good, how are you, man? Look who I found at Michael's. It's
oh, jeez, bro. Am I really on camera?
Yes, sir.
Oh, man, all right.
Alrighty, I am back. We just chatted down on lunch there. Super good. But got the paint pen ready to go. So we are about to clean this up with some rubbing alcohol and then get straight into painting. Let's get going. Got 2 layers on here right now on just this one tire, but ooh, it is looking primo. Check that out. Woo! God damn. That's gonna look so sick rolling, guys. I can't wait to get all 4 done. Dang, guys, I am really liking the look of these tire lettering on here, all white. Oof, it's looking prime. Definitely changes the look of the car a little bit more too. Check out these calipers. Ooh, that's a nice blue, and they looking fresh as fuck too. Ooh, matches like a good contrast with the red. Ooh, yes. I'm sure. We just swapped places. Optima is now outside. Accord is inside the garage. So we've got the camber arms in the back there. I just have to grab them out and then we are good to go to start installing. Just gotta pop this thing on the quick jacks, which are sitting right there. It's gonna be primo. Hopefully this doesn't take too long, but you know how car things go with us. It always takes fucking forever. So let's get going on that. Woohoo! Dude, I'm still so in love with these tire letters. They look so good. And once we take these wheels off, we're actually gonna patch them up a little bit better because it's kind of hard to do when it's sitting on the car, and with all this stretch it kind of just like tucks under. So yeah, we're gonna take them off when we lift up the car. While we're letting those dry, then we can do the camber adjustments. K-Tuned. There's some cotter pins right there. And then we've got, of course, these beautiful, if they'll come out of this plastic bag here, beautiful K-Tuned camber arms there. So yeah, these are going to pop into there, and I'm going to see if we're still shaking. And if we are, I got to spend more money. Let's do it. So the wheel just came off here, and this is what we're looking at replacing right there. So we just take this out. 1 bolt there, 1 bolt in the back, and we're good to go. Let's do it. In he goes. To his natural habitat. It's my house, dude. I live here. Unfortunately, even with this PB blaster here, it's really not loosening up. We've hit it with a hammer from both directions, kind of try to hold it up, and do all that, and wiggled it about, but it's not really trying to budge, so we're gonna let it soak for a couple more days. But in the meantime, I'm gonna have to just try to figure out what that's all about. But yeah, I'm just gonna call it a day for today, guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!